Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is a beauty vlog where I talk about my homemade toners, and I've been making this for quite a long time now, so I thought it'll be a good idea to share the recipe with you. So I'm going to make two recipes. One is using witch hazel and the other one will be using just rice, plain rice. So let me talk about toners. What are toners? Toners are like skin tonics. They are applied just after you cleanse your skin and just before you apply your moisturizer. Actually, there's one more step. There's the scrubbing. So it is always cleansing, scrubbing, toning, and moisturizing. That you can make it at home. So let me show you how I do it. The first ingredient I'll be using is witch hazel. It's 100% pure witch hazel. It has no alcohol. If you see the ingredients, there is no alcohol in it. It's very important because alcohol can dry out your skin. So witch hazel is totally natural. It was used by the Native Americans to treat like wounds and rashes, and it's totally safe to use on your skin. But I will still want you to do a patch test if you have very sensitive skin, to do a patch test with this, and it has worked out great for me. So I have a mixed skin, and I use it as a toner on along with the vegetable glycerine. So this is the second thing that comes in. Now glycerine is derived from vegetables, as you can see here it's mentioned, and it's totally organic. There are glycerine available in the market that are synthetic. I would want you to stay away from that kind of a stuff. Now what glycerine does to your skin is it locks in the moisture and it prevents moisture loss. So it's a very good hydration for your skin, hydrating agent for your skin. That's the second I'll be using, second ingredient. And I'll also be using some essential oil. It's not important, but if you want, I just like how it feels on my skin, and lavender actually is really good for your skin and your hair, so I will be using that. Let me show you how I make it. In this cup I have half a cup of my witch hazel, and I have 1.5 tablespoon of glycerine in here. So I'm just gonna mix both the things up, and I'm gonna add a little bit, like maybe 5 drops of my essential oil in there. So there, and I'm going to mix that up, and using the funnel I will be transferring it to this spray bottle. And you can use the toner twice a day, but if you are new to it, I would advise you to start with one time and then making it 2 times a day, like in the morning and the evening. So I'll use this funnel and I will transfer that. Now my second recipe is very simple and you can make it at home, and it's very effective. That's what matters, like it should be effective. So all you need is rice. It's 1 tablespoon of rice. Now rice has been used throughout centuries by people to have beautiful skin. If you see the Asian countries, they have always had byproducts of rice, like rice water, to treat their skin and their hair, and they look so much young because of this secret ingredient. Just give it a try and you will notice the difference. All you have to do is take 1 tablespoon of rice and put it in a cup and add about half a cup to 3/4 cup of water. Give it a rinse, again add the water and mix it up with the use of a spoon. Now let this sit for like 20 minutes. I have made mine sit for overnight. Like my skin is totally now adapted to the rice toner, so I can take this kind of a potency. Like it's very potent because it's been sitting overnight. The water may even have fermented, and even though it's cool out here, it might have fermented. So fermented rice is very potent thing to apply on your skin. You need to dilute it. So I wouldn't advise it if you are the first time user. Then I would tell you to cut down the timing. Just 20 minutes will do. Now I will filter this and I will transfer it again to my spray bottle, and I'll spray it when I need it. So that's the second toner. So that's it. These are the 2 toner recipes. I really hope you try it. If you have sensitive skin, do a patch test, and this will make your skin look so much younger. It's so better than what you get in the market, and I really hope you give this video a try, guys, and Subscribe for more fun videos like this and like my page on Facebook, and see you again soon in another video. Until then, bye.